Okay, so I'm going to take a look at three different kinds of files. One, I'm gonna use the exact same image of the cat of the founder of TurboVax. I'm going to test an empty COVID-19 vaccination card, and then I'm going to test a picture of my vaccination card. Right now I'm looking at an S3 bucket I've got set up for this purpose, Vax card uploads. There are various files inside this bucket, and the way this works is that I point my API call to the bucket and then to the image. I'm going to start off with the one that works. So when I call this, it'll take about 3 or 4 seconds. It's reading the file in the S3 bucket. This is the document structure here. It's representable as a JSON object. Whether or not the image is card-like, it's returning true. And the really cool thing is I'm using AWS rekognition, and these are the kinds of things that are found in the image. Text, a person, I think my thumbs were in that picture, which are attached to a human. And then these things that are kind of like pieces of paper, ID cards. And I'm making assertions on various parts of this. And then I can take a look at the entire text, and I can see that my test has passed. So I'll go ahead and clear this. And I'm gonna now use this on the empty image. And let's see. Again, take about 3 or 4 seconds. And this time I get a failure. The document structure is exactly the same, but obviously there's no information in this. There's no vaccine provider. That's pretty important. Again, the objects detected in the image are very, very similar, minus the human. So go ahead and clear that. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test against the image of the cat. So this is definitely going to fail, and as you can see, this AWS rekognition info in the JSON object is super useful. We can see that there's nothing close to a CDC vaccination card in the detected objects array. Just weird stuff like a black cat, and flooring, plywood, a pet, so on and so forth. So that's it.